Father, we have to acknowledge na ang gulo-gulo ng takbo ngayon ng mga nangyayari at kagimbal-gimbal yung mga nadidiscover. Sometimes, it's either you feel angry or you feel so helpless, wala kang magawa. Is there a way, is this a phase for us to reflect or get the message, bakit nangyayari ito, God? What's the purpose and what can we do in terms of our faith and love for God? And what is this that is happening? God, enlighten me.
I would not want to doze off that question. Kasi kung alam lang natin talaga ang nangyayari sa buong mundo,
Magulo din eh.
super gulo.
Super gulo. Hindi lang naman tayo eh.
Kaya siguro yung
No, even America is on the verge of a different crisis.
Yeah. Could you imagine na kung, di ba sabi nun, parang, deliver us, Lord, from every evil. Graciously grant peace in our days. Kasi, keep us safe from all distress.
Yeah.
Sometimes there is an anxiety created, probably built up by real circumstances.
Exactly.
But we must be discerning enough. What should really, how do they call it, significantly is asking us what should we say and what could we do. Tama po ba?
Or how can I have hope?
Yeah. Kasi there are certain anxieties or worries muna that becomes an anxiety and could lead even to depression and even despair. So could it be a machination of the devil himself? Because it would bring you to the verge of losing hope.
Or it
Kasi kung despair, losing hope.
Losing hope.
And therefore, it touches your faith and hope in God. So, the first thing that probably would parang frame it, our situation is, if our anxiety and worry of what's happening sa gulo at confusion of our
And
state
the anger that builds up in
the
you.
Philippines is, bakit? Bakit walang ginagawa ang Diyos? Yun, di ba? Yun ang una. Ba't hindi merong gawin ng Diyos? And sometimes, our desire is a quick fix.
Oo nga.
Pwede siguro sabihin ng Diyos muna, itong confusion, ako na naman ang solusyon. Baka gusto niyo ba nang tingnan na kayo ang problema, nasa inyo ang solusyon.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
I just came po from a Laudato Si Certified Environmental Trader course. It's very engaging kasi the topic is how our globalized world created a framework of capitalism. And capitalism would like to tell you that, you know, I'll give you a product, sabi namin dito, yung urea, nitrate, para gumanda ang iyong tanim. And he's discussing precisely that, alam niyo, nasa biomass ng ano yung tinatawag ni Philip Camara na sapal na kalat ang tawag natin after post-harvest. Andun pala. At pag nai-realize mo, nasa air pala ang magiging iyong organic fertilizer.
It's there. It exists.
Oo, hindi mo kailangan
dagdagan pa.
Hindi mo kailangan mag-antay ng ganung klaseng ayuda sa napakalayo, and it will create, and so many things. So, I think the confusion allows us to realize na there is something within the human person, kasama na ako doon, that is corruptible and can really have a significant parang impact on people, specifically those who have less of a voice, not much of an influence. And sad to say, kinakaltasan sila ng tax. regularly talaga. Hindi sila maka-avoid the tax. And yet, it doesn't really work for the common good.
Which is where it's supposed to be. A collective fund for the needs. Right?
Yeah.
So kasi if
when we have proper legislation and the taxes are properly studied in order to really assist the common good, no? Then I think those who can pay taxes should not ask sa accountant, pwede ba natin makaltasan? Di ba? Tayo na mismo nagsisimula eh.
nagdodoktor,
Oo.
na paano mababawasan yung babayaran ko?
Makakabawas ng tax. Eh di ba yun na kagad ang unang corruption na ayaw mong magbuwis ng tama. Eh ang sagot mo, kasi napapariwara.
Or napupunta sa Curaçao at...
balik tayo kay Robin Hood pala. You steal from the rich and give it to the poor. Di ba? Is that the solution natin? It has been a legend about Robin Hood. Di ba? Kasi he was disenfranchised and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, the important thing is, tawag dito, the rule of law. Now, sino ang nag-i-implement ng law? I think we have to bring it to that point today. Who implements the law? The law has been crafted. There are implementing guidelines. Who are those using the proper use of the guidelines such that it benefits all more and not a few? And therefore, the confusion consists precisely in that we parang shortchange the greater good for a selfish benefit.
Purpose.
And that attitude starts from the human heart, from the very woundedness of the human soul. Kasi it has been very much influenced by materialism. When we call it materialism, marami kasi.
Maraming aspeto eh.
Hindi, marami ka kasing makukuha. And kung titignan mo yung offering ng marami, konti lang ang essential. Hindi mo naman lahat kailangan. Just imagine in a Philippine situation of our economy, the very fact that there are people who can buy a luxury car, it itself is a no-no for me. Bakit ka magla-luxury car in an impoverished nation?
Hindi, Father, kasi I think the context here is why this national thing is happening. Tapos, hindi ikaw yung nangurakot. Nagtataka ka, ano bang message to? Tapos namulat lahat, nagalit. Now, how do we... I mean, of course, yung iba something, God, ano ba message mo? But I think tama ko doon sa part na these were caused by evil acts.
Correct.
So it's a machination of the devil. Or kami, binoto namin to. Pero the fact that it's a phenomenon, kasi parang Old Testament, di ba, may mga faces din yung history ng Israel na dumadaan sa ganito, nakalimutan ng Diyos. So they wondering, is this another phase leading us to somewhere?
Well, as I said, ang aking simula is may something personal. I cannot detach myself from the gulo as if hindi ako kasali dyan. Kasali
correct,
ako dyan.
Correct.
Lalo na sa pagkapari ko, kasali ako dyan kasi bahagi ako ng leadership ng ating simbahan. Pari ako eh. I have a leadership role. And in that role, I was not capable. I did not make probably an effort that our faith, the faith that I'm trying to make grow in the hearts of people, did not have its social component to the point na mismong simbahan natin, mismong Catholic faith natin, existing in the lowliest barangays.
Oo.
To this day, yung barangay captain, hindi siya servant leader. So, tanong ko ngayon, meron bang magandang example ang pare na servant leader dapat siya at siya'y namumuno o pang simbahan lang ba siya, pang misa lang,
Or pang komunidad.
or talagang may influence ang faith by the way he lives and by the way he helps form servanthood that could become a following and so becomes a leader. Di ba? Yun ang tanong eh. Yun sa akin nagsisimula, how am I a share in the problem?
Now,
Kasi kung titingnan ko the magnitude of the problem, magtuturo lang ako eh. Pero kung titingnan ko ang problema, may pinanggagalingan din sa akin, then there is already a chance to say, teka muna, kung I am part of the problem, can I also be part
of the solution.
And so therefore, that is in itself important, di ba? So ngayon pinag-uusapan namin sa leadership ng simbahan, indignation rally tayo sa EDSA, di ba? That was last Sunday. So nag-lead ka, Cardinal Ambo.
So what's next?
Yeah, that is okay na? Or nagprotesta lang tayo, sumigaw tayo.
Inilabas lang yung nararamdaman.
Sorry ho. Alam nyo, pinakinggan nyo ba yung ng Menjola?
Grabe.
Pero pinakinggan nyo ba yung kabataang 15 anyos? At that age ba, ang 15 anyos, gagawin ba na niya kung hindi siya frustrated completely or na ano na siya, na ano siya ng media?
Na-influence.
Alam mo, sabi niya, palagi na lang ba kami ang tinatamaan ng
Ambihado.
kahirapan? Gusto nyo bang maramdaman nyo? O ito, ang hirap namin. So, nanira sila. May tanong sa akin nun eh. Isang Monsignor told me, Father Francis, ano ginagawa niyo sa Salesians sa 216 na nakakulong ngayon na 15-year-olds karamihan?
Mga minor de edad.
Wow, may tanong ako sa sarili ko. Salesiano ako, sabi namin, where they're meant for the young, especially the poorer ones. Can I just back out na ngayon, tapos ng protesta, rally? Hindi ko ba pag-aaralan o gagawa ba ako ng
mga
isang programa, board ng programa? Siguro, lapitan ko muna yung mga kabataan na to. Pakinggan sila lalo. Nasa detention area naman sila eh. Meron ba kaming gagawin bilang kongregasyon? Lumapit sa sitwasyon na to? Di ba? Sorry.
Di ba, okay, I go back to the others. I'm not blaming others, but the acts of evil. Shouldn't it start from home of what values you should have? And they are rigid values of the Christian faith.
Correct.
Right?
So, problema natin lahat. Pero,
Problema ng lahat eh. O kung paano.
hindi pwede tayo magdasal lamang,
Oo.
pero dapat din tayo magdasal.
Oo.
Sa bagay-bagay na, sabi nga natin, if it would bring us so much anxiety, worry to the point of desperation, wag naman, kasi that's the way of the devil.
Oo. That's a trap.
Pero, I think you're saying it's high time. Kasi, kung meron akong masasabi po sa public, hindi ba ang Israel had 40 years in the desert? From 83, we had this question of Ninoy, pero from 86 po, 2026, 40 years yun po.
Naka-40 na, no?
Tatawid ba tayo to a new situation of the
Exactly.
country? Ngayon, let me define. Ano ang mas magandang sitwasyon ng bayan? The American model ba? Capitalism?
Exactly.
Ganun bang uri ng pamumuhay? The European model ba? O mas sa ilalim sa atin sa EDSA spirit? Kapwa ko, meron akong magandang loob, meron akong lakas ng loob. Sapagkat ako'y marunong makipagkapwa, sapagkat ang kapwa ko, ako rin. Mahal ko. Gawin ba natin mas totoo sa ating pagkatao, Pilipino, ang solusyon sa ating bayang Pilipino. Tingnan lang po natin ang mga awit natin ng sinauna, naroon po ang sinasabi nating malasakit, no?
Takot sa Diyos.
Takot sa Diyos, mapagkapwa, bayanihan, and all of that.
Oo,
I think we have the ingredients, pero yun na.
Yeah, so, yun, I think, may sinabihan nga ako si Father, si Caritas.
Anton Pascual.
Kasi sinasabi na they're all for good governance. Sabi ko, kung may takot kasi sa Diyos, ang bawat tao, I think you should term it God governance. Because you are Christian, you know.
Siya, ang pamamahala niya.
Hindi, yung paniniwala sa kanya, may takot ka.
Hindi, siya nga si Bathala eh.
Oo, siya si Bathala.
O di bahala siya?
Oh, kasi, hindi, I mean,
Bathala siya. Ang ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, kung bahala siya, means bathala siya. At dahil bathala siya, pinamamahala ko sa'yo, pero sabi mo, kawangis kita eh. Kamukha kita eh. Ba't di mo pamahalaan ng ayon?
Nang ayon sa kanya, di ba? Kaya, it's the God governance.
Iikot yung tanong.
Iikot, oo, tama. So,
Yes.
yun. I mean, we should fear, if we fear God, we won't do this. Kahit ako, in my own private life, di ba? We have a choice eh.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Thank you, galing.
Yun.
So sana
Kung
po
ako kasi, kung ako
nakapalinaw.
naging anak, feeling ko ako yung, nangyari siya eh, sa isang politiko na
Kinahihiya.
umuwi ka na, humarap ka, anak na yun na. I mean, di ba? Anyway, let there be peace and truth, and yeah, we have to pray for enlightenment, and also may conversion
Paglaban
of,
po natin ang
may
hustisya.
conversion of sinners nga eh.
Begins po, love begins with justice.
Oo.
Charity begins with justice.
So,
Hanapin natin yan.
Bigat. Like and share, subscribe, and we'll be back.